I usually find useful gadgets, so you can buy them, but today's set is different. These are the devices that are illegal to own or buy. Let me know which one is forbidden in your country in the comments below. Made for the geeks in your life, the Flipper Zero hacking gadget is an open-source multi-tool device. It lets you research and pentest radio protocols, access control systems, hardware, and more. Fully customizable, this hacking multi-tool works with Arduino IDE and Platformio. Furthermore, this tiny piece of hardware has the personality of a cyber dolphin. This dolphin loves to hack, and it interacts with digital systems in real life. In fact, it combines all the hardware tools you need for hacking on the go in one simple gadget. Super small, it's made for convenient everyday use, and it comes with a robust case, easy-to-use 5-button joystick, and 1.4 inches monochrome LCD display. Easy to read in sunlight, this completely autonomous gadget can also connect to USB. Hack anywhere and everywhere with this hacking gadget. Protect yourself from attackers with the Taser Pulse civilian legal stun gun. The Taser Pulse is an effective defense tool that immobilizes attackers for 30 seconds. Additionally, the stun gun provides a 15 feet shooting distance, making it ideal for most offensive situations. Likewise, it also works up close thanks to its contact stun capabilities, offering the same effect as law enforcement stun guns. The Taser Pulse is a civilian version that you can confidently carry. Additionally, it weighs only 8 ounces. Comfortable to carry and use, the Taser Pulse comes with angled sights and shaved safeties. It also provides a built-in laser to help you quickly aim at your target. Furthermore, the battery indicator lets you know that it's ready for use whenever you need it. A great new upgrade comes through the latest version of Arctic Handheld Laser, which is a piece of technology that truly makes you feel like a true Jedi in a day. With its smart switch feature that lets you control the power in your hands and the inclusion of over 2000 mW of fully variable power, all new modes, a laser power indicator has made the device more stronger as an everyday accessory for all. Through the variable power mode, you can now choose the amount of power you need to. Having features like Phosphorus, Expander, and Laser Saber is an added bonus that can enable you to do things like using it as a white light flashlight or multiply the focus of the beam. Making good use of laser power is possible, and that too, through a smart and safe device practically anyone can use. Start impressing everyone around you with the Pyro Mini Fireshooter. Designed to remain on your wrist, this device is easily concealed as you shoot actual balls of fire from your bare hands. Smaller than the original for a more natural wear, the designers eagerly say that the Pyro Mini Fireshooter is not a toy yet a badass device, just like your favorite secret agent. The Pyro Mini Fireshooter has its barrels filled with flash paper, which is specially treated to burn very quickly. With your maneuver, the Pyro Mini Fireshooter uses this sudden burst to emit a flash and wow anyone watching. Although safe to use with proper training, the Pyro Mini Fireshooter is for those 18 and older. Offering a sleek design, the folding Karambit multi-use knife has a beautifully curved blade. It not only looks great but also functions supremely well. Using an Emerson wave deployment, this effective, efficient option lets you fully deploy the knife with one hand at ease. Promoting user safety, precision, and efficiency, this hook blade knife has an ergonomic handle and a safety ring. While the centuries-old design boasts an old-world charm, it also has a sleek look. Whether you carry yours for everyday needs or self-defense, this blade offers versatility. Made with a strong, consistent edge and enhanced edge retention, this corrosion-resistant knife is easy to conceal in a bag or pocket. Moreover, the safety ring ensures you have a secure grip no matter the environment, letting you keep the closed knife in your hand in preparation for any situation. Finally, use this Karambit for blunt force or as a control device. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.